Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you guys are doing great. Welcome, everyone. My name is Avinash. We have Nikun sir with us today in the afternoon FINNifty expiry session. Okay. आपके export daters. महेंद्र जी, आपका सवाल मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आया. प्लीज एक बार वापस लिखिए. Reason for the market momentum. Satya Kumar, as we have already mentioned from been saying the same thing from last couple of days, that the stance in market are changing regularly and very frequently, and due to which it is very tough for us to decide, and we have to change our stance as well at every point of time. So at the start of the market opening, you would have saw, right, that market has opened very flattish, then it was sort of negative. Now it recovered 200 points Nifty, and BankNifty covered almost 1,000 points. It's 2% upside, right? So it's a very great thing, right? I would say you can definitely look for the call side, but for the very next day, if you see, the market can be negative. So the stances are changing regularly and very frequently. So we have Nikun sir with us today. Nisha ji, definitely हम हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों में कोशिश करेंगे, since we have couple of clients, right, and it's very tough for them to understand in Hindi as well. So हम कोशिश करेंगे, we will keep in both the languages so that we will cover all of our clients. So हमारे साथ आज निकुंज सर है for the FINNifty expiry, right? Nikun sir, please let me know if I'm audible to you.
Yes, Avinash, you are audible. Am I audible? Am I audible now?
Yes, Nikun sir, you're audible now.
Perfect. So give me a minute's time. I'll share the screen and then we are good to go.
Great, great. Hitesh, US election news. Yes, definitely उसका भी थोड़ा सा impact है, and there are a lot of external factors that are also affecting the market, right? And apart from few corrections, I would say. So Nikun sir have already shared the screen, and Nikun sir will share all the insights around the market. And since market में हमें एक recovery दिख गया है, we will definitely see कि हमें कौन से साइड पे प्ले करना चाहिए अपना कॉल और पुट. Since Nikun sir is the right person to give you more detailed update on it. So yes, Nikun sir, over to you.
My screen is visible, right?
Absolutely, Nikun sir. Your screen, your camera, your voice, everything is good.
Perfect, perfect. So good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to another weekly expiry of Nifty Financial Services, FINNifty as we like to call it. So बात करते हैं पहले निफ्टी से. निफ्टी कल के लो को रिस्पेक्ट कर रहा है 23,800 के आसपास जो लो किया था. आज in the morning everything seemed to be very low and काफी सेलिंग प्रेशर था, बट पोस्ट नून सेशन में एक शार्प रिकवरी देखी गई है, wherein the Nifty has managed to recover almost 200-230 points from the days low, और नीचे में एक 23,800 के आसपास सपोर्ट रहा है. But as of now, still we are not out of the woods as of now. So एक मीडियम टर्म नियर टर्म के लिए सेल ऑन बाउंस स्टैंड से कंटिन्यू रहेगा निफ्टी में. जब तक ऊपर में 24,500 550 के ऊपर क्लोज नहीं आता, तब तक एज ऑफ नाउ निफ्टी में सेल ऑन बाउंस स्टैंड कंटिन्यू रहेगा. बट आज नीचे से अच्छी रिकवरी देखी गई, विच इज अ वेरी पॉजिटिव साइन फॉर निफ्टी. एंड बैंक निफ्टी की बात करें तो बैंक निफ्टी हैज been outperforming, as we can clearly see. जब निफ्टी ने अपने प्रीवियस स्विंग लो को भी ब्रेक कर दिया, बट बैंक निफ्टी has not broken the swing low of 25 अक्टूबर also. तो 25 अक्टूबर के लो को भी अब तक नहीं किया, जबकि निफ्टी ने अगस्त के लोस को टेस्ट कर लिया. तो निफ्टी हैज बीन अ बिट लगार्ड. बैंक निफ्टी रिलेटिवली आउट परफॉर्मिंग कर रहा है, तो एक रेंज में है, तो नथिंग मेजर. ऊपर में 52,500 के ऊपर ही एक फ्रेश अप मूव स्टार्ट हो सकता है बैंक निफ्टी में. नीचे में 51,500 एक सपोर्ट बेस कंटिन्यू रहेगा इन बैंक निफ्टी. तो बैंक निफ्टी रिलेटिवली आउट परफॉर्मर है आज, ऑलमोस्ट 2% हायर है, जबकि निफ्टी इज ओनली up by 0.8%. So you can see the outperformance by Bank Nifty, mainly led by HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, and Axis Bank. These three have been very strong, and PSU Bank say special mention to SBI. I think we have been recommending SBI from last 3-4 days, और कह रहे कि 850 870 के टारगेट्स के लिए it is looking very good. So आज almost 850 तो आ गया है, but it has more legs to go till Friday. So I think relative outperformance है, and I think it should continue in Bank Nifty. FINNifty की बात करें तो FINNifty भी almost the composites of Bank Nifty and FINNifty are almost similar. Barring Bajaj Finance and FinServ are in the financial service index, and उनका weightage भी comparatively higher है. So I think which is why even today सुबह से हमारा stance negative था in FINNifty because it was trading below the weekly VWAP, which was 23,830. The weekly VWAP for FINNifty is 23,830, and सुबह it was trading lower than the weekly VWAP, but post noon session में 750 800 जो हमारा एक crucial resistance point था, और resistance को break करके it is managing to sustain about the same. So which is why for the last 15-20 minutes जो हम session में है, तो our stance would be buy and decline stance, or will be on the call side, provided we get a better entry point. So फिलहाल for the last 20 minutes, because we have seen a very sharp recovery in the post-noon session, and also it is trading about the weekly VWAP now. So I think our stance for the last 20-30 minutes, we are changing the stance to buy and decline stance rather than previously sell on bounce stance. So the range that you are working with in FINNifty for the last hour of trade, last 20-30 minutes is नीचे में 24,100 and okay, so 24,100 और ऊपर में 24,180. So 24,100 and 24,180 is the range that we are working with for the last 20-30 minutes, and we'll try to buy the call option near the support level, which 24,125 है FINNifty. So the option that is on our radar is 24,050 call option. So 24,050 का call option है. Current market price is around 80-85. So we'll try to buy this when the FINNifty corrects towards 24,100 levels, and we are going with the in the money option mainly because we don't want to get into the time decay which hurts the most in option buyers. So इसलिए हम in the money option की तरफ जा रहे हैं. So 24,050 call option हम ये buy करने की कोशिश करेंगे. Current market price is 80-85. We'll try to buy between 60 to say 55. Yeah, 60 to 55 के बीच में. We'll keep a stop of 30, and we'll try to look for a target of 90 and then 110. So FINNifty का 24,050 call option. We can buy between 55 to 62, keeping a stop of 30, and look for 90 and 110 on the higher side. So this is the setup that we are working with as of now. अगर कुछ change रहेगा तो we'll definitely update on the same. And in the meantime, I'll quickly share one BTST idea जो हमको काफी अच्छा लग रहा है. तो इसमें metal pack has been relatively doing good, और एक BTST जो बन रहा है वो है SAIL, Steel Authority of India, एक almost bullish engulfing candlestick pattern बना रहा है, अपने support से rebound कर रहा है. तो current market price से buy कर सकते हैं near 118, keeping a stop of 115, and look for 121 and 123 on the higher side. So BTST के लिए एक SAIL, which is Steel Authority of India, आप देख सकते हैं, keeping a stop of 115, look for 121 and 124 on the higher side. So we have shared the setup जो हमारा FINNifty का option है, and we have shared one BTST, which is SAIL, Steel Authority of India. So we'll wait for some cool off in the index. We are tracking the option on my the screen. So we'll definitely intervene अगर कुछ change रहेगा तो in the buying price. The call is now quoting at 110. we'll wait for a couple of minutes and then we'll see how to go about things, or if needed we can change the strike as well to 24,100. So we'll wait for a couple of minutes how the market pans, because एक sharp recovery आई है, so the premiums can do anything. It can 110 वाला call can be 30-40 also, so we have to be mindful of that, because the call जो हम अभी buy करने की सलाह दे रहे हैं, at 1 PM it was quoting at 1 rupee, so 1 rupee वाला 100 रुपया हो गया है. So that is the main reason that we always try to buy in the comfort where the risk reward is favorable to our trade setup. So as of now, we'll wait for a couple of minutes. We'll see how the market reacts in the next 2-3 minutes, and then if needed, we can change the buying range, and accordingly, I'll definitely update on the same. We have shared the BTST in sale, so जो BTST करते cash में, so I think they should definitely look into it. You can get a quick 2-3% move in Steel Authority of India.
So guys, we have shared a trade and BTST. So trade अगर मैं repeat कर दूँ, those who have joined recently, just like now. So we have shared a option trade on FINNifty 24050 call. 24,050 का call हमने suggest किया, right निकुल sir?
Yes.
And with a buying range of 55 to 62, the stop loss will be 30 and the target for the upside will be 90, then 110. So I would repeat guys, हमने FINNifty का 24,050 का कॉल का है बाय करना है. बाइंग रेंज विल बी 55 टू 62 का रेंज, इन बिटवीन 55 से 62 के रेंज के बिटवीन में बाय करना है आपको. स्टॉप लॉस रहेगा 30 का और टारगेट अपसाइड पे रहेगा 90 अगर जाता है तो 110 भी देख सकते हैं. अभी फिलहाल ट्रेड कर रहा है 105 106 के लेवल पे, राइट निकुल सर?
यस यस यस.
एंड उसके अलावा हमें थोड़ा कूल ऑफ का वेट करना है. हमारे रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड फेवरेबल में जब आएगा फेवर में तभी हमें इसमें एंटर करना है. फिलहाल थोड़ा ओवर प्राइस चल रहा है, विल वेट फॉर सम टाइम, थोड़ी देर वेट करेंगे, उसके बाद हम एंट्री लेंगे. उसके अलावा हमने एक बीटीएसटी भी शेयर किया है ऑन सेल, करंटली ट्रेडिंग नियर 118 लेवल. हमें 115 का स्टॉप लॉस रख के विद स्टॉप लॉस ऑफ 115, द टारगेट वी आर लुकिंग फॉर इज 121 एंड देन 123, राइट? 121 या तो 123 का टारगेट हम देख रहे हैं सेल में भी. सो ये दो ट्रेड हमने शेयर किया है, राइट? डेफिनेटली सही कहा आपने, 100 प्लस चल रहा है फिर निफ्टी का, इसीलिए हम थोड़ा लोअर लेवल पे ही बाय करेंगे. हमारे रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड फेवर में आएगा तभी हम इसमें एंटर करेंगे, या तो अगर यहाँ से ये ऊपर चले जाता है तो हम अपना स्ट्राइक चेंज करेंगे, जैसे निकुंज सर ने आपको ऑलरेडी बता दिया, राइट?
यस.
So that's it from our end as of now for the trade point of view, and sir will definitely update you. हम लोग आपको पैरेलली ये ट्रेड के बारे में भी अपडेट देते रहेंगे. ऐसा नहीं है कि ट्रेड दे दिया, we are keeping an eye on it parallelly as well. तो उसमें कुछ मोमेंटम आता है या कुछ भी चेंज आता है, we will definitely update you. स्टॉप लॉस 24,050 का रहेगा 30, right?
Yes. So I think I'm tracking the option. अभी 99 है, 99, 98. So I will wait. In the meantime, I think we can take 2-3 queries in the meantime. By the time at least जो सिर्फ cash traders है, जो cash stocks के बारे में, तो I think we should definitely serve them also. It's not just the option buying 0-0 kind of a trade that we look into. But I think we can take few queries, 1-2 queries, and then we can take the call कि क्या buying range shift करनी है या what to do with regards to the option buy.
Sure, Nikul sir.
Yes.
Bank Nifty 52,500 call is good to hold for tomorrow at 140 levels. Could you please answer this, Nikul sir?
52,000?
52,500 call is good to hold till tomorrow.
क्या प्राइस पे लिया? I think
140, sorry, 140 के रेंज में इन्होंने बाय किया है guys.
Okay, I just 52,500 ना 130 है अभी.
Right.
Right. So I think it is near its cost only. I think keep a stop of 105 and hold.
Saiji, I hope this answers your queries. Sir, Majok के रिजल्ट अच्छे आए हैं. Yes, definitely. निकुंज सर, Majok के रिजल्ट्स अच्छे आए. What is your view on it? मतलब कोई फ्रेश एंट्री आप सजेस्ट करोगे इसमें, या अगर किसी ने होल्ड किया है, what do you suggest on this?
I think post the result एक sharp 8-9% का मूव आया है. So I think I think अच्छा मूव हुआ है नीचे से कंसोलिडेशन में है although at least for the time being it is not correcting more which is a good sign at least एक fall arrest होने की कगार पे है तो I think जब तक 4000 नहीं ब्रेक करता है I think you should definitely hold on to Moscow and ऊपर में रिवर्सल कब बनेगा जब 45-4600 के ऊपर क्लोज होगा तो ही एक रिवर्सल होता है बट एज ऑफ नाउ एक रेंज में नीचे में 3900 4000 एक सपोर्ट है एंड एक बाउंस बैक 4500 की तरफ आ सकता है पोस्ट द रिजल्ट एक रिजल्ट अच्छा ही है I think post that we have seen a sharp up move also in Moscow so I think they should continue and और 1500 150 200 पॉइंट की up move आ सकता है in Moscow.
Great. ONGC.
I think ONGC एक रेंज में ही है I think क्रूड करेक्ट हुआ है तो which is not that good sign for the ONGC so I think which is why it has been underperforming but नीचे में एक सपोर्ट है 260 का तो अगर आपका पोजीशन है तो keep a stop of 260 and hold and look for 276 on the high side.
Manisha ji, please don't spam. We will definitely take your query. So since you are spamming it, I will take your query right now. Tata Motors 1050 put लिया है 160 शेयर क्या करना चाहिए?
टाटा मोटर्स का पुट लिया है
Sorry?
टाटा मोटर्स का पुट ऑप्शन लिया है
Right.
कौन सा स्ट्राइक है
1050
1050 तो इट विल डेफिनेटली इन द मनी होगा ना उनका तो
राइट
आई थिंक यू शुड डेफिनेटली होल्ड ऑन टू इट जब तक टाटा मोटर्स 880 के ऊपर क्लोज नहीं होता तब तक आई थिंक इट विल कंटिन्यू टू करेक्ट तो जिस दिन स्टॉक 880 के ऊपर क्लोज आ जाता है तो यू शुड एग्जिट इट
So I hope Manisha ji, this answer your query. Mahendra Pandit at 3 p.m. they will tell it's better not to take trade. Mahendra ji, it's not only you, right? We have a lot of people out here, right? Since you are spamming a lot, हमारे risk to rewards पे आना चाहिए हमें जो ट्रेड हमें इनिशिएट करना है, राइट? अगर हमने उम्मीद किया कि यहाँ से थोड़ा कूल ऑफ आके हम थोड़े लोअर लेवल पे बाय करेंगे, so there is some plan, there is some strategy, right? That our experts are looking for. राइट हमें कोई भी लेवल पे बाय करके वहां से अगर हमें एक डाउनसाइड ट्रेंड दिख जाता है डेफिनेटली वी विल लूज मनी राइट सो या इट्स डेफिनेटली बेनिफिशियल अगर इफ यू नॉट इनिशिएट द ट्रेड बट जो रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड रहता है वो हम उसी पे बाय एंड सेल करेंगे राइट सो आई होप दिस आंसर योर क्वेरी
yes right? And in the meantime you can take one more BTC I think NMDC metals में sharp recovery देखी गई है so I think with sale I think NMDC can also be looked at you can buy NMDC at current market price, keeping a stop of 230 and look for 244 and 248 on the higher side. So, sale के साथ NMDC, I think metals are doing great. So, it's sharp recovery है NMDC also given a fresh swing breakout from the past 4-5 days का एक breakout दिया है. तो ऊपर में 242 and 248 के levels देख सकते हैं. Keeping a stop of 230 on NMDC. So NMDC and SAIL, these are the two stocks that we have recommended as BTST. And I think NMDC अगर BTST ना करके भी अगर आप थोड़ा सा 5-6 दिन का ट्रेड सेटअप के लिए देख सकते हैं, तो they should definitely consider that as well. You can see 245 and 248 on the higher side. And I think coming back to the option, I think people are too desperate to trade. So I think there's no point chasing the price. That is why I always say कि प्राइस को चेस करके you won't make much money. जो ऑप्शन ₹1 वाला 120 हो जाता है तो then you lose comfort in that. So there is no point giving it 100 and then hoping that it will work. At least the setup should be there. एक comfort buy होने के बाद एक comfort भी रहना चाहिए. So which is why we always try to buy in a range where we are comfortable holding the position at least for some time. So which is why I think अभी जो call option है 115 119 करके अभी वापस 69 हो गया
राइट
desperation में you will never make money especially in option buying timing is very important because within few seconds it can change the game so at 130 odd अगर किसी ने ऑप्शन ये राइट किया होता तो ₹10 वाला ऑप्शन one was on our radar as well तो to the 23,850 का call. So from 9 rupees it made a high of 260. So within minutes things change. So you have to be mindful of that and be what to say, don't be too what is it, desperate to trade. We have given the stocks. You can take stocks as well. 2% in this stock or 3%. Even that is a good way of making money, right?
Right. I hope Mahendraji this answer your query, right? Since you are spamming a lot on the trade. So as rightly said by Nikun sir, desperation में हमेशा चीजें गलती होगी, right? You will end up making loss, right?
Yeah.
So it should be always in our comfort zone. हम कितना loss या कितना तक हम लोग risk ले सकते हैं? What is the risk appetite, right?
Exactly.
So as you can see, it made a low of 69 since it was trading at 119. Right.
Below 66, our buying range was 62. So I think by 4 points we missed the buying range. And we'll wait, I think. Because अभी ऊपर से correct हो गया है, तो I think it should come within a buying range is what I'm hopeful of. So we'll wait. I think change the record, I'll definitely intervene. In the meantime, we have given to BTSTs, NMDC and SAIL, so they can definitely look into that. NMDC तो positionally भी कर सकते हैं एक हफ्ते के लिए अगर कोई लेना चाहता है तो they can see definitely 242 245 the higher side with a stop of 230.
ठीक है. Meanwhile, Nikun sir, even we are keeping an eye on that strike. अगर guys इसमें कुछ भी अगर momentum या strike का changes आता है, if we are shifting our strike, we'll definitely update you.
So we won't shift the strike now. We won't shift the strike. We'll go with this one. But the other option is 24,100, which is 30 rupees. So उसमें कुछ नहीं बनेगा.
So let's move to stock queries.
Yeah, we'll answer a few. अगर अभी वापस 78 अगर अपने buying range में आता है, it will be great.
Right. So guys, I would like to repeat again. हमारा buying range है 55 से 62 के आसपास में, right? हमें यही range में buy करना है.
Yes.
So it's trading near 77, 76, right? 76, 75. So थोड़ा wait करते हैं, इसको definitely cool off होने का chances बहुत ज़्यादा दिख रहा है इसमें.
Yes.
Let's take couple of queries and parallelly we are also keeping an eye on the strike as well. View on ONGC.
ONGC, I think we have answered.
Okay. NCC.
I think NCC gap up के बाद एक थोड़ा सा corrective हुआ है, लेकिन I think the gap area should be a good support zone. So I think अगर आज का 200 300, I think 300 is a very good support for NMDC, NCC, sorry. So 295 से 300. I think जब तक 295 ब्रेक नहीं करता है, आप होल्ड कीजिए पोजीशन. ऊपर में वापस 315 320 आ सकता है NCC. तो गैप अप हुआ था, I think post on the 1st of November, that is दिवाली डे जो मुहूर्त था, and post से थोड़ा सा करेक्टिव हुआ है, लेकिन यहाँ से वापस एक रिवर्सल आ सकता है which can take it to 320 or levels.
Sir, when we can expect a momentum in defense stocks? I think defense stock में काफी correction आ चुका है. Because of the answer this year. I
think almost Cochin Shipyard and all these stocks, Badhao, Cochin retraced 50%. 3,000 वाला 1,400 हो गया. So
right.
I think एक बार पहले fall arrest होना चाहिए. Main वो है. I always say this. कोई भी चीज there is never a V-shaped recovery in stocks. तो एक sharp rise के बाद एक corrective move आया. अभी corrective move के बाद consolidate करना चाहिए. एक बार fall arrest उसके बाद reversal होता है, तो वहाँ से will take I think another 2-3 months हो सकता है. I think it could be more. I'm just guessing with a rough estimate. But और consolidation और थोड़ा सा time correction आ सकता है. So I think there could be more pain before you see any major move in those defense stocks. ट्रेडिंग के लिए ठीक है, मतलब कभी जैसे आज मोमेंटम में था मजगांव डॉक में, तो वी हैड शेड इंट्राडे इन मजगांव. सो ट्रेडिंग करके यू कैन डेफिनेटली टर्न इट आउट, बट डोंट एक्सपेक्ट कि पहले जैसे मूव होता था कि हर दिन चलता था 5-7%, तो वैसा मोमेंटम नहीं है स्टॉक में.
So guys, just an updated Nifty 24,050 call is trading at 72. Still, it's not near into our buying range. We'll wait couple of more minutes. And anything you want to add, Nikun sir, into this?
No, I think we'll wait. I don't think it won't rise in a hurry. Yeah.
Right.
We'll see. We'll see.
Okay. So, and let's take one or two more queries. S sub TNL bought at 7675. SAB TNL.
SAB
TNL.
B2.
Sri Adhikari, right?
Okay, see Adhikari business. I think I have no view on this. Honestly, the stock is continuously making higher.
Right.
So I think I have no view on this. I never tracked it.
Badhao.
We can take another point.
So guys, a lot of queries on to recently listed IPOs. So guys, we will definitely not be able to answer because इसमें ज़्यादा technical historic data होगा नहीं.
Exactly. Price history to be कम होगी.
Right.
Like we see on the technical front, I think fundamental they can answer it much better than the technical. But technically, 1 year का price history होगा, so that could be more convenient for us to know that.
Premier Energies.
I think Premier Energy भी recently listed ही है, but थोड़ा सा price history तो है, but तो उसके हिसाब से ही अगर देखें तो 1180 एक सप्लाई जोन है. अगर वहाँ उसके ऊपर क्लोज आ जाता है तो it can test 1250 and 1280 on the higher side.
Right.
तो उसका position है तो keep a stop of 1100 and hold.
So since Nikon sir, we are near to the 3 p.m. You know that every time we say 3 p.m. thing, and still,
yeah, we will wait another 2 minutes. है ना, तो wait because there's no point giving in hope. Because when if I'm not comfortable, मेरे को ही comfort नहीं तो why I would risk someone's hard-earned money, right? So I always work with the levels, and I think 24,124 is the spot. And ever since we started, post that 20 point ऊपर गया था spot, तो 24,100 का support है, तो 24,100 के आसपास आता था तो भी definitely एक अच्छा trade बनता था. So we'll still wait for that. 24,118 है, तो we'll wait for that. अगर होता है तो well and good, अगर नहीं है तो what can we do? Because no point easing the price. Because हमारा session start हुआ तभी 75 और था, वहाँ से 118 हुआ. But I was not that comfortable with chasing the price, taking the call option.
which nearly it came till 63, I guess. 63 का low बना.
Okay. 63 का low किया.
63 का low करके now
back to 73.
Right.
Unfortunate. What can we say?
Very unfortunate.
Yeah. I think spot also 24,108 हुआ है, so which is why
शायद buy trigger हो गया होगा guys आप लोग का. It made a low of 62 right now.
Okay, good. I'm not too sure. अगर होगा है तो definitely you should keep a stop of 50 now. I'll revise अगर जिसका हुआ है. I'm not too sure अगर हुआ है क्या. हुआ होगा तो keep a stop of 50 and hold.
Right.
12 point का ही आपका loss होगा. अगर जिसका हुआ है, I'm not too sure हुआ है.
62 का it made a low of 62 and it went till 78, 79. Right now it's trading near 64.
Yes, I'm not too sure of that.
जिसका भी नहीं हुआ है guys, don't worry. Target उर्मिला जी अगर आपने buy कर लिया है, you can partially book profit. Right now it's trading near 88, 89. What do you suggest, Nikun sir?
Yeah, I think keep a stop of 65 and hold.
Right, Karthik ji, great job. You bought at 65. कुछ traders हमारे होते हैं, you know, they just push a 1 or 2 points upside because they know what their risk appetite is, right? How much they can
that is up to their individual choice. See,
Right.
why do you will क्या strike, क्या comfort zone है, what are the supports, what क्या view है. But there are few people who do it aggressively and do it that it's that individual choice. I won't encourage or discourage anyone to do whatever they want. But as a house we are talking, I'm representing the organization, so which is why I have to be mindful of what I say. So which is why we try to buy with a marginal safety, wherein we have some comfort. So which is why we wait for the reversal. FINNifty spot 24,108 का लो करके अभी 24,140 हो गया. In 30-40 point, which is why the option has risen. But
yeah, it's trading near 100, 101, right? जिन लोगों ने भी इधर थोड़ा आसपास में 63, 64 पे भी किया होगा, मे बी उन लोगों ने प्रॉफिट बुक किया. महेंद्र जी, I guess since you're spamming a lot, I can see you are a very professional, and I would say you are a too expert over here. You know, so because we have a lot of people out here who are very new and they want a guidance from our expert, so we are here to serve them, right? If you think you are too expert, you have very much expertise into it, please go ahead and initiate a trade, right? And if you have a lot of things to share, to us, to our members who are very new to us, we will be more than happy, right? So yes, that's it. So I will take one more query.
yes, definitely.
मयूर जी, डेफिनेटली आपने जो लिखा है दैट वाज राइट. इट मेड अ लो ऑफ 62.55 और 69, आई एम नॉट श्योर, बट यस इट मेड अ लो टिल देयर. वहां से एक पुल बैक आया ट्रेडिंग नियर 102 लेवल्स. तो जिन्होंने भी थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे करके बाय किया है 1 पॉइंट अपसाइड एंड या 65 पे कुछ लोगों ने जैसे किया, दे डेफिनेटली मेड अ गुड मनी. बट जिनका लिमिट, उन जिन लोगों ने लिमिट लगाया, लाइक पीपल मयूर, लाइक यू एंड कपल ऑफ मोर पीपल, उनका ट्रेड इनिशिएट नहीं हुआ होगा. बट नेवर माइंड गाइस, वी आर ऑलवेज हियर. हम लोग हर दिन यहाँ पे ही होते हैं. एवरी एक्सपायरीज आर गोइंग हियर ओनली. इफ नॉट टुडे, डेफिनेटली वी विल मेक मनी. So never mind, there is always a next expiry, there is always a next day. So जिनका भी ट्रिगर नहीं हुआ, it's completely fine. And जिन लोगों ने प्रॉफिट बुक किया, congratulations to them.
Yes.
On that note, we'll take one more query and then we'll just wrap up the session.
Sure.
NMDC.
And I think game BTSC also. I think they should definitely hold.
Can I take synthetic put in Bank Nifty?
I think naked put option या call option don't get into that zone because एक strong pullback है. तो अगर 50 पॉइंट के ऊपर खुलेगा तो आपका put would decay like anything. So take it as a hedge. अगर आपका कैश में ज्यादा पोजीशन है तो buy put as a hedge, not as a trade. Because there are a lot of events lined up from starting tomorrow and post that Fed का meet policy के ऊपर भी stance है and the US election outcome. So event lined up है. Don't be too what is the market is always there for 252 days. I guess 220 250 तो trading days होता है. तो एक दो दिन मिस हो गया तो you will not lose. कोई opportunity नहीं चली जाएगी आपकी कमाने की. So I think
so. Yes,
that would be my suggestion. अगर hedge करना है for your take put option so that you are safe with regards to the loss अगर market tank करता है, but not as a trade.
Right. So Jarun ji is all been putting a lot of message on this query. We'll take Jarun ji your query. KNR railway, KNR railway view.
KNR railway.
I guess KNR railway. Jarun ji, I guess there is some
typo है.
Typo like KNR right.
KNR construction होगा.
KNR railways लिखा उन्होंने.
Railway
there is no such stock. Even I don't think there is any KNR railway. But never mind. Jarun ji, please put your query on BSE. It's a BSE listed stock.
But it still should show it here ना. यहाँ अगर होगा तो because यहाँ पे देखो NSE BSE दोनों ऑप्शन आता है.
KNR Railways.
Sorry, I couldn't find the stock.
K, not N. Sorry, Nikon sir, it's and
KN.
and R. That and symbol, right?
वही स्टॉक थोड़ा सा करेक्ट, काफी करेक्ट हुआ ऊपर से, बट एक बेस फॉर्मेशन है तो 360 एक सपोर्ट है, 360 के सपोर्ट से होल्ड कीजिए एंड 430 के टारगेट कीजिए.
Great. Guys, I hope we have tried to cover a couple of queries and हमने 2 BTST भी दिया है and we had shared a option trade on FINNifty 24,050 call and I see a couple of people made profit and someone did not find, a couple of people did not find an entry, but never mind guys, it's always the next day, it's always the next expiry. We'll definitely try to make it up tomorrow in the BankNifty expiry. So that's it guys from our end, and also we are planning to do a IPO session on Swiggy day after tomorrow, and all the details will be shared to you by today or tomorrow itself on the stock market itself. Swiggy के बारे में काफी लोगों को बहुत सारा queries था, right? IPO के बारे में तो हमने कोशिश किया है हमारे फंडामेंटल टीम से एक छोटा सा सेशन शेड्यूल कर रहे हैं after the expiry only, so that you know we